Hi guys, welcome to Code with Cat, where we make Python coding fun and easy. In this video, we'll cover how to perform basic arithmetic and operations in Python. First, let's start with the basic arithmetic operations. These are the foundation of any math you will do in Python. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's start with addition. In Python, you can simply use the plus sign like this. This will give us 8. Easy, right? Next, subtraction. You use the minus sign for this one. This will give us 6. For multiplication, we use the asterisk. The result here is 14. And division is done with the forward slash. That gives us 4. Now let's look at two other useful operators, modulus and exponentiation. Modulus is used to find the remainder of a division. For example, 9 modulus 4. This gives us 1 because when you divide 9 by 4, the remainder is 1. Exponentiation is used to raise a number to a power. You use the double asterisk like this. 3 to the power of 2. This gives us 9 because 3 squared is 9. Now let's see how we can use operators with variables. Let's define a couple of variables first. A equal to 5, B equal to 3. Now we can use these in our operations. A plus B. This will give us 8, just like we saw earlier. You can also use variables with subtraction, multiplication, and division the same way. Before we wrap up, it's important to understand the order of operations in Python. Python follows PEMDAS, that's parenthesis, exponents, multiplication, and division from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. Let me show you how this works. 2 plus 3 into 4. You might think this would give 20, but Python follows PEMDAS. Multiplication comes before addition, so the result is 14. Now, if we add parenthesis, it changes the order and the result is 20. 2 plus 3 is added first, which will give us 5, and it is multiplied by 4, which will give us the result 20. And that's a quick rundown of basic arithmetic and operations in Python. You have learned how to add, subtract, multiply, divide, and use modulus and exponentiation, as well as how Python handles order of operations. This is just the beginning, but it's a great foundation for your coding journey. Any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Python tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.